spacious living area which is well designed. So you have kitchen area. So this is the modular kitchen. So this is your master bedroom, which is simple. Hello everyone and welcome to Housing. My name is Jayashree. Today we are at the project called Paradise on Earth by the builder Urban Rise, which is located in Gangasandra of Kanakpura Road for a sample villa tour. Well, we will get to know a lot about the project in detail, but before that, let's understand what is Housing. Housing is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the builders, thereby giving you a bottom rate price, the best rate possible. Unlike the current listing platform where you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers and you end up with a lot of unwanted calls. Housing is one such platform where the listing is done directly by the builders. So hurry up, go book your dream home through the builders with Housing. Let's talk about the project overview. The project name is Paradise on Earth by the builder Urban Rise, which is located in Gangasandra of Kanakpura Road. The entire project is built on a land parcel of 24 acres with 219 villas, and the available stories are ground plus 2 floors with terrace, and the available variants are 4 BHK and 3000 square feet built up area. Now let's talk about the connectivity. From this project, Nice Ring Road is just 6 kilometers away, Kanakpura Road is 4 kilometers away, Christ University is 1 kilometer away, RR Nagar is just 2 kilometers away from this project, and many other amazing connectivities are very close by from this project. Now let's talk about the project amenities. This project has amazing amenities such as a 32,000 square feet of clubhouse, gymnasium, infinite pool, kids play area, kids swimming pool, yoga track, yoga lawn, indoor games, amphitheater and many more. So right now we are in front of 4 BHK villa called the Paradise on Earth by the builder Urban Rise, which is located in Gangasandra of Kanakpura Road. This villa has ground plus 2 floors with terrace. So let's go and check. Before that, you can see this is the spacious parking area. So where you can park 2 cars and 2 wheelers as well. And now it's time to check the villa. Let's go inside. As you walk inside, you can see the spacious living area which is well designed. So you have your sofa here. So this is your television unit and storage spaces, and here you can see there's a huge window provided with a sitting area where you can sit and enjoy your view outside. Look at the garden, it's fantastic, and the interiors are super amazing. Now it's time to check the dining area. So this is the spacious dining area. So yes, they have provided a seating of 6. So 6 people and more can sit over here. And you can see, yes, this is your balcony, which has been provided with a French sliding door. So the balcony has been provided with a wooden floor finish. It looks super cool, and you can enjoy your leisure time over here viewing the garden. So yes, it's simply superb. And also, yeah, you have your sitting area over here. So this is the balcony in this 4 BHK villa. So yes, near the dining area you saw the balcony, and over here we have the window as well. A big window where you can get natural sunlight in the daytime. And now it's time to check the kitchen area. So this is the modular kitchen. It's very well designed, and window for ventilation and huge storage spaces. As you can see, such amazing storage spaces are given. And this is your utility area. Right now it's locked, so that's your utility area where you can store things and you can use it as a washing area as well. And now it's time to check the common bathroom in this 4 BHK villa. So this is the common bathroom with anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary equipments and window for ventilation. Yes, it's super big. And now it's time to check the first bedroom in this 4 BHK villa. So yes, this is the bedroom, which is super spacious. Look at the designs. Wow, it's really very cool. And there's ample amount of space on both the side of the bed, and that's your wardrobe, which is super big with transparent sliding doors. And this side, yes, the sitting area with big window where you can enjoy the view. And right opposite to the bed, this is your study area, and storage spaces have been provided. It's really big. And now it's time to check the bathroom. So this is the bathroom with anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary equipments and a big window for ventilation and super big mirror as well. So everything is super big. So now it's time to check the first floor. So you can go to the first floor using the lift or the staircase. So let's go to the first floor. So you can check this, a big window has been provided. So again, you will get ample amount of sunlight and ventilation. And yes, now we are at the first floor. So as you enter, you can see the spacious living area, which is superb designed. So you have sofa, television unit, storage spaces, a lot of storage spaces, and this is the balcony. in the living area. So yes, look at this long balcony where you can enjoy your leisure time, having a look at the surrounding. So everything is super cool. Now it's time to check the first bedroom in this first floor. So this is the first bedroom in the first floor. Yes, again very spacious. Ample amount of space has been provided on both the side of the bed, and look at the floor finish. It's wooden finish. It's really amazing, and a big window has been provided over here. And now it's time to check the private terrace. So this is your private terrace. Yes, which is super big, where you can spend your leisure time having a sip of coffee or tea. And now it's time to check the wardrobe area. So this way to the wardrobe. So yes, a huge passage has been provided. This is your wardrobe as well as your dressing area, because this wardrobe comes with a mirror, and there's again a window over here for ventilation. Now let's check the bathroom. So this is the bathroom with anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary equipments, window for ventilation. So such a big mirror, wash basin and storage spaces has been provided. So everything is well designed. So that's the master bedroom. Before we check that, let's check the second floor. So this way to the second floor. So again, on the way to the second floor, you can find this big window for ventilation and for getting natural sunlight. Yes, now we have arrived at the second floor. On the left is the first bedroom in the second floor. So yes, super spacious, and on either side of the bed you can see your wardrobe. Yes, a lot of storage spaces has been provided. Over here, big window has been given for ventilation, and this is your study area. And now it's time to check the bathroom. So this way to the bathroom. So this is your bathroom with anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary equipments and window for ventilation. So everything is super big. Now it's time to check the second bedroom in this floor. So this is your second room. So this could be your office space or it could be your study room. And over here, a lot of storage spaces has been given, and big window for ventilation and for getting natural sunlight. And now it's time to check the terrace. This way to your terrace. Wow, this is the super big terrace. Look at the floor finish. It's wooden and it looks amazing, and a lot of seating area has been provided on both the sides, and green plants. So all the sides you can see the green plants, so that gives a pleasant feeling. So yes, you can spend your family time, your leisure time over here, and look at the view from here. It's fantastic. So everywhere serene green you can see. So simply superb. So this is the terrace in this 4 BHK villa. So yes, now it's time to check the master bedroom. So we saw 4 rooms, right? 3 bedrooms and 1 study room we saw. And now we are going to check the master bedroom. So this way to the master bedroom, but before that, let's understand what Housey does for us. At Housey, we give you flat tour, actual location tour, the pros and cons, why you should invest in this project, pricing details such as EMI and banking options, and 360-degree project virtual tour. And now it's time to check the master bedroom. So this is your master bedroom, which is simply fantastic. So you can look at the color combination, it's simply superb. And on both the side of the bed, there's ample amount of space. So yes, you can see your sitting area over here as well on that side. And yes, on right opposite to the bed, you can see the television unit. And over here, yes, we have a big window for ventilation and for getting natural sunlight. Now it's time to check the wardrobe area. So this is your wardrobe area, which is super big. Look at this passage area, super big. And on both the sides, you have the wardrobe with a transparent door, and over your big mirror for your dressing purpose. So yes, this is your wardrobe area and your dressing area. And now it's time to check the bathroom in this master bedroom. Look at it, so big, right? With anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary equipments and window for ventilation, such a big mirror and a lot of storage spaces. Wow, well designed. And now it's time to check. Any guess? So this is your private terrace, your balcony. So yes, this is attached with the master bedroom. Super big, super long. And look at the view. It's really good. So you can spend your leisure time over here sipping a coffee or tea. So yes, this was the private terrace in the master bedroom. Yes. So I hope you enjoyed this 4 BHK villa tour called The Paradise on Earth by the builder Urban Rise. If you have any questions about the project, you can mention it in the comment section below. Any feedback is we welcome. And do not forget to like, share and comment. And do not forget to subscribe to Housey to know about such wonderful videos. See you in the next video. Bye.
So everyone, this was the 4 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Paradise on Earth located in Kengeri, Mysore Road by Urban Rise.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.